Hello everyone. Our 3-day workshop, Structuring and Marketing Derivatives Solutions, provides a highly practical opportunity to investigate how derivatives can be successfully, profitably, and above all appropriately applied to the risk management needs of a range of buy-side clients. The focus of the program is very much on the structuring and application of a variety of derivative instruments for the management of interest rate, commodity, and foreign exchange exposures. We also examine the typical motivations of corporate clients when utilizing financial instruments for risk management purposes, from passive hedging of confirmed exposures through to more dynamic strategies. We also investigate the post-crisis regulatory environment, which has clearly had a huge impact on the industry, looking in detail at collateralization of derivative credit exposures, which has now become the norm. We also examine other legal requirements, in particular suitability and appropriateness criteria, that have now become encoded in law in South Africa and elsewhere. The workshop is led by Peter Skerritt, a derivatives expert with experience in 3 continents over 3 decades. Via a number of real-life case studies of the good, the bad, and the ugly aspects of derivative structuring and marketing, Peter shares his vast practical experience of the profession. A key question we address repeatedly during the workshop is how to differentiate ourselves from every other derivatives bank that's knocking on our clients' doors. In essence, what is our unique selling proposition that will ensure that the relationship is as important to our clients as it obviously is to you in the sales side of the industry? Delegates attending the workshop should already possess a basic understanding of these instruments. Pre-course work will be provided, as well as an online test to verify that that is in fact the case, so that you can proceed to a more intermediate level during the program. Our next workshop date is listed below, and there are still places available. We're always delighted to present this training, as we do, across the continent, in-house for a number of banks or indeed for a local financial association. We hope to see you or your staff there soon.